rational expressions. Identify any x values for which the expression this is undefined. So x values where it's undefined are going to be the ones in the denominator when we set it equal to 0. So let's begin with factoring. So we need to see what x values could be in the denominator here. So let's begin with the numerator. We can factor out a 2x cubed, and that will leave us x squared minus 9, which we know we can simplify that further to 2x cubed, x plus 3, x minus 3. This is a difference of two squares. Okay, then the denominator we can factor out an x, and that will leave us x squared plus 7x plus 12. And now we can take that for one step further, factor that, and that's going to give us x plus 4, x plus 3. So, values where it's undefined, that's going to be when any one of these x's equals 0. If you have a 0 in the denominator, that is the definition of something that's undefined. So, this will occur if x equals 0. So if this is 0 here, then everything in the denominator is 0. So that cannot work. If x is negative 4, so if we have a negative 4 here, negative 4 plus 4 would make 0. Again, making the denominator 0. Can't have that. Or negative 3. If negative 3 plus 3 is 0, again, 0 in the denominator. So these are going to be the values for number 19, where it's undefined. Now to simplify this, we can go through and cross out what we can. So I see this x plus 3, this x plus 3 here. And we can take away one of these x's and one of these x's, so it becomes squared. So this is going to equal 2x squared, x minus 3 over x plus 4. And that's it. That's going to be our answer for number 20. Now let's look at number 21. So we're going to multiply, assume all expressions are defined. Okay, so for multiplying, that means we can cross-reduce, like we've talked about before. So I'm going to, let's rewrite this really quick. X squared y, x to the 7th, y to the 4th. Okay, so let's reduce this stuff. 4 over 2 can reduce to 2 over 1. 9 over 3 can reduce to 3 over 1. So let's rewrite this. So we've got 2x squared y times 3x to the 7th y to the 4th over 1x to the 5th y squared, 1x y to the 6th. So let's take it another step further, reducing, and let's do x's. So we're going to take 2 x's from the top, 2 x's from the bottom. That's now a 3. We're going to take 1 y from the top, 1 y from the bottom, leaving 1 y, or y to the first. Here we're going to take one of these and one of these, leaving an x to the 6th on the top. We'll take 4 from here and 4 from here, leaving 2. So now we've got 2 over x cubed y times 3x to the 6th over y squared. Now, let's go ahead and let's just get this into one term. So we'll have 6x to the 6th over x cubed y cubed. Now we can reduce this 3, take away 3 here, take away 3 here, and we will end up with 6x cubed over y cubed. So I'm just going to write that all together as one here. 6x cubed over y cubed. So all of that all together is here. So we multiplied and simplified for number 21. Okay, now number 22. Now we're dividing. So what we need to do first, as usual, is get this all factored. And instead of dividing, we're going to be multiplying by the flip of this here. So I'm going to go ahead and work it, multiplying, and I'm going to flip those. So let's begin on the left. X squared minus 81 is x plus 9, x minus 9, over x squared plus 5x plus 4. That's going to be x plus 4, x plus 1. And now we're multiplying by this flipped. So this is going to be in our numerator. So I'm going to factor out an x. So we'll have x squared minus 1. And in the denominator, x squared minus 10x plus 9. That is going to be x minus 9, x minus 1. And then here, I'm going to go ahead and turn this. I'm going to take this away and do x plus 1, x minus 1. X squared minus 1 is a difference of 2 squares. All right, so now we are ready to start cross-reducing. So you have an x minus 9 here, x minus 9 here, x plus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1. Nothing else can reduce. So our answer is going to be x plus 9 over x plus 4. Oh, and I'm sorry, there's a little x there too. Left that guy out. So x plus 9 times this x over x plus 4.